Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to use a years of service calculator in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take a start date and an end date and calculate the years of service right here in cell C2. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So the first way we can calculate years of service is by using the DATEDIF function. So I'm going to click in C2 and type equals date and then diff with a left parenthesis. And the first thing I'm going to do is click on A2 because this is my start date, and then I'm going to type a comma. And then I'm going to click on B2 because that's where my end date or my second date is, and then I'm going to type a comma. And then in double quotes, I'm going to type the letter Y for year, close my double quotes, and then close my parentheses and hit enter. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And I can see that there are 26 years of service between the start date of 1/19/1998 and 2/24/2024. So there are several other ways to calculate years of service, and you may want to go down to the years and the months and the days of service and get a little bit more in detail. We go over several more ways to calculate this out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.